Welcome to today's class on analytic geometry. Today we discuss angle of intersection of two curves. If phi1 and phi2 are the angle between the common radius vector and the tangents to the two curves at their point of intersection, then the angle of intersection of these curves is phi1 difference phi2. So first of all, we have to find the angle between the radius vector and the tangent at the point of intersection of two curves. Then you find the difference of that two angles. You will get the angle of intersection of the two curves. We can do a problem. So the problem is find the angle of intersection of the curves r equal to sin theta plus cos theta and r equal to 2 sin theta. So these are the two curves. So we solve this solution. We consider two curves. So suppose that this is r equal to f of theta. And you consider another curve r equal to g of theta. You know that at a point of intersection r is the same. So suppose that this is the pole O, and you know that the radius vector is at the point of intersection. So this is r. So at a point of intersection the radius is the same. So we can solve these two curves by equating r. Therefore, at a point of intersection we have radius is the same, so sin theta plus cos theta equal to 2 sin theta, equating these two curves. So from this you will get the same implies to take sin theta to this side, so cos theta equal to 2 sin theta minus sin theta. So this implies cos theta equal to sin theta. This happens if theta is pi by 4. So or this implies sin theta by cos theta equal to 1, or this implies tan theta equal to 1. So this implies theta is equal to pi by 4. So at this point the angle made by radius vector with initial is pi by 4. What you are getting is, if this is the initial, this angle is pi by 4. That is what we have. Now we have to find the angle between the tangents and the radius vector. We know that tan phi is equal to r d theta by dr. So we have to find tan phi 1 and tan phi 2. Now for the curve r equal to sin theta plus cos theta, we have dr by d theta is equal to cos theta minus sin theta. Therefore r d theta by dr equal to r is sin theta plus cos theta into 1 by cos theta minus sin theta, and this is equal to sin theta plus cos theta divided by cos theta minus sin theta. Therefore tan phi 1 is sin theta plus cos theta divided by cos theta minus sin theta. At a point of intersection you know that theta is pi by 4. So when theta equal to pi by 4, we have sin pi by 4 plus cos pi by 4 divided by cos pi by 4 minus sin pi by 4. So this is equal to 1 by root 2 plus 1 by root 2 divided by 1 by root 2 minus 1 by root 2. So therefore tan phi 1 tends to infinity as theta tends to pi by 4. So this implies phi 1 is pi by 2. Now we find phi 2. So for the second curve, r equal to 2 sine theta, we have dr by d theta is 2 cos theta. Therefore, tan phi is r d theta by dr. Tan phi 2 is r d theta by dr. So this is 2 sine theta into 1 by 2 cos theta. So this is tan theta. So that is tan phi 2 is tan theta. At the point of intersection, you know that theta is pi by 4. So this implies tan phi 2 is tan pi by 4. So this implies phi 2 is pi by 4. Therefore, the angle between the curves is phi 1 difference phi 2. So this is pi by 2 minus pi by 4. So this is equal to pi by 4. So the angle between these two curves is pi by 4. Now you can check this using GeoGebra. First you plot r equal to sin theta plus cos theta. So this is the curve r equal to sin theta plus cos theta. Now you plot r equal to 2 sin theta. So this is the curve. You know that these two curves meets at 2 points. This is the case when r equal to 0. When r equal to 0, sin theta plus cos theta is 0, 2 sin theta is 0. So these two curves meet at this point also. And in our example, we have equated r to get this point. So you find the point of intersection. So consider these two curves. So this is the point of intersection A, and you know this is the radius vector. So segment. So this is your radius vector R. Then you find the tangent at this point. So consider the tangent to this curve at this point. So this is the tangent. Then you can see that the angle between the radius vector and the tangent will be pi by 2. So you can see that this angle is pi by 2. So you may find that angle. Mark a point. Then find the angle between. So you can see that this angle, this is phi 1, you know that it is pi by 2. Now you find the angle between the tangent and the radius vector at A to the second curve, 2 sin theta. Find the tangent to this curve at this point. You can see that this is the tangent. So in that case, you have to find the angle between the tangent and radius vector. So you just extend the radius. So you can see that just extend this radius. Then you mark a point here. Then consider a point on this. Then you find the angle between radius vector and the tangent. So you consider the radius vector here. So this is the radius vector and the tangent. So now this angle. So consider this angle. So you can see that it is 45 degree. So the angle between these two curves will be 90 minus 45. That is 45. So that's all for today. Have a nice day.